In this multimedia demonstration, we're going to set up NAT, in particular static NAT, for traffic on the inside going to the outside. So let's set up a static translation. The command is ipnat. Where is the information coming from, like the packets? From the inside. We translate into source address or the destination address. In this case, it's going to be the source address. We want to do a static translation. Okay, we can list which traffic. In this case, I want to list a specific address. If it's coming from 2222, what do we translate it to? 10.140.8.3. Okay. Now that we have our static translation, we need to activate NAT. We have to tell the router which interfaces are considered the inside. In other words, where this packet will be coming from. And then when this packet is going to go out of interface, it should be translated to this. So which interfaces are considered outside? Well, the inside interface is going to be kind of unique in our situation because I'm going to make it the loopback interface. Because this is the interface that has this IP address assigned to it. That means if traffic originates from loopback 0 and if it goes out of serial 0, ipnat outside, then we're going to translate 2222 to 10.140.8.3. Let's get out of configuration mode and take a look at our NAT translations. Show ipnat translations. We have one translation. Doesn't deal with any protocol, just an inside address. Okay, of 2222, that's a local address, and this will be translated to the global address, 10.140.8.3. Okay, let's test this. Before I test it though, I want to turn on debug for NAT, debug ipnat, so we can see the translation occurring in process. To test this, I'm going to do an extended ping. I'm going to use IP. What's the destination? 10.140.8.1. That's our neighboring router. I'm going to send just one ping. I'm going to accept the defaults here. Except I want to use extended commands because I want to tell the router to use this IP address as the source. And I want to accept the defaults for the rest of the extended information. So we can see the ping was successful there. Also notice something else here. There's two translations occurring. Here's the ping going out. 2222 was translated to 10.140.8.3 when we sent it to this address. And then when a reply came back in from 10.140.8.1, the destination address was 10.140.8.3. That was translated to 2222. So we can see that our inside static configuration is working correctly.